Hi, my name is Aisha. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not, thanks for tagging along and supporting me along the way. Today, we're gonna do a simple makeup routine, my everyday makeup routine. It's very easy to do, and I will link all the products for you. So here we go. So after I wash my face, if I'm feeling a little puffy under my eyes, I do like to use the Peter Thomas Roth eye patches. These are really good at like depuffing underneath your eyes and just kind of giving your eyes that even look. Like when I first woke up, this eye was like really puffy, but these help. So I've already done that. I always like to start with a skincare base. My go-to products for skincare is Sunday Riley, okay? I love these products. This is Good Genes. It smells so good. But look at that glow. You can instantly see the glow. After I do that, go in to correct my dark spots. So that's gonna be like under my eyes, that's gonna be like on my face. I use the Hourglass concealer, okay? This thing is amazing. Rewind. We're gonna go in with the Laura Mercier. This is the Pure Canvas Primer. This is really good at like blurring your pores if you have big pores like I do. I just like to put it in areas where I want to minimize that shine. Now, I'm going to go in with Hourglass. And I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes here and here. But yeah, I've just actually recently started to use this and I just love it. So those who use like a color corrector, like if you have different shades of skin tones in different areas on your face, this is what you would do first. You just go in with your color corrector, maybe like around your mouth, blemishes, and you're just gonna blend that in. I'm using the Real Techniques setting brush. I'm gonna go in and blend that. I mean, look at that, like huge difference. I'm kind of in between shades right now because it is summertime and we've been going to the pool and my face has like a tan right now. This is the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear. I like this because skincare mixed with foundation. This is a very like light foundation. Typical heavy foundation, like if I'm going out, is the Armani Luminous Silk. I love this, but I do need to find my right shade for now. I also use the Hourglass foundation stick. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to use that today because this is more of a full coverage, like heavier look. I like to dab first and then blend. This is the Real Techniques. This is the 200, and this is the Expert Face Brush. I love Real Techniques brushes. Okay, so now that that's all over my face, as you can see, there's gonna be some areas that look kind of light, like right here, because my forehead is dark, but that's okay, because I'm gonna go in with a contour stick, and we're gonna make it work. This is the NARS concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just gonna put some here, like so. You wanna wait for your concealer to dry before you start to blend it, because you're gonna blend it and then you're gonna basically wipe off wet product on your beauty blender. Fenty contour stick, this is in Mocha. I'm just gonna do my contour here and here. You kind of want to do it like right where you feel that bone. I don't like it to be under. I like it to be high because once I blend it, I'm gonna blend it up. Do just a little bit from the inside and bring that down here and the same here. You guys, when you apply makeup, please don't forget to wash your brushes. I mean, seriously, they should be washed after each use. And if you cannot do that, at least every other use, because you will notice like how nicely the product goes on your face. I mean, it's such a difference. I don't understand how people use like a dirty brush and they have all that caked up makeup on there. Like, ew. I used to use a beauty blender to blend, but I stopped using that because I noticed that the beauty blender is great, but it does take some of the product with it. And I noticed with this brush is amazing. I mean, it blends so good. And I'm gonna link all these products in the description, like everything I'm using. Sometimes I do use the beauty blender. Today I'm going to use it for my contour. I just don't like to use it for concealer because I need my concealer, okay? This is the e.l.f. setting mist. I'm gonna spray some of this mist on my beauty blender and blend up. And blend it in. And I like to mix blushes. I like to try different blushes. I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk Love is the Drug first. And I'm going to use the Physicians. Get rid of any crease I see, and then I'm going to blend. And it just goes on so smooth. I do makeup, then I do hair, and then I get dressed. And then people are like, well, how do you get dressed without messing up your makeup? You gotta put a shirt on or whatever. You just cover your face with a scarf, and then you put your shirt on over the top, okay? So this is a huge debate because people all the time are like, no, you gotta do your hair first, and whatever. NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Is it NYX? NYX? I don't know. Is that how you say it? I do use the Anastasia brush, and this is the number 14. So first you want to just comb your brows. And so I like to outline first. Outline because you know how you always got one brow that's different than the other. So when you do your outline, you're going to be able to match exactly where each one of them line up. This is another debate. People like to do their brows first. I don't do that. I don't like it because I notice like when I do my brows first, then I put on the foundation and stuff. I feel like the foundation, some of it just gets on your eyebrows. I'm actually gonna like brush in the pencil. I'm gonna take my concealer brush and I'm just gonna kind of clean the middle where I outlined my eyebrows and it got like in the middle of my forehead. So a trick I like to use an empty mascara and just use that brush that has a little bit of extra mascara on it, and I just kind of like brush it into my brows. And to me, this gives it a very natural feel. But it also sets your brows. I like to use two different mascaras. This is the L'Oreal Luminous Silk. Day Drama Intense Thickening Mascara, and it has castor oil in it. You want to dust away your setting powder. Physicians Formula, the Butter Contour Palette. What I like about Physicians Formula is their products just smell so good. Up. This is the Lip Cheat by Charlotte Tilbury. This is in Magnolia. I'm just gonna put that on the center and kind of dab it here without like covering my line. I have the Sephora glossed color, not today, boo-boo. But this color is gorgeous. I mean, you can use this by itself. You don't even need lip liner or lipstick. And there you have it. But it's a very simple look. Like once you get it down, it's very fast. I do not spend long on that routine, that makeup routine at all. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and hope that these tips helped. I will link all my products in the description. Thanks for tuning in.